Alright, so today we're using Visual Studio Code for our practice session, and if you don't have VS Code download, you go to the browser and type VS Code download. Locate the URL bar, type VS Code download or Visual Studio Code download, and you click on download. You'll be redirected to the main page, and then you check for the version to download. If you are using a Windows or a Mac or a Linux or Ubuntu, versions are available for any operating system. And alright, so I like us to check out some few things. Like, we go to the navigational pane. It has file, which when you click on file, you see new text file in Windows, and open folder, each performing a specific function. You go to edit, you see cut, copy paste, section, selection, view, see the appearance to customize the appearance of a VS Code, and go run terminal to open terminal in your VS Code. It's like opening command prompt in your VS Code and Windows and all that. So this icon is the Explorer, and it has where you can open a folder from your local directory or a local drive. If you select and click open, it opens here, and that's the extensions. So let's download our extension for the React, and yeah, let's React. I think it's my network. Okay, so yes, so now you just select the version of React to use, and I downloaded multiple versions for other reasons, in case maybe I should kind of be using an outdated version. One should cover up for me, and also if one shouldn't be working properly, then I could easily switch to the other version. Now we have React Native Tools, I have it installed. React Snippets, I have it installed, and React by Microsoft as well. So I think that'll be it for. Let's jump straight into today's work.